Every day, people stop on the side of the road. Flat tires, engine problems, or even fender benders. We've all been there. It happens. But do you know what shouldn't happen? Secondary crashes. 53% of secondary crashes result in the death of someone involved. That stops now. Introducing S-Lite, the world's most advanced emergency warning system on the road. S-Lite uses a 60-centimeter rotating LED display to project warning signs at high intensity to all surrounding drivers at their eye level. This keeps your car seen and you safe. It projects critical messages that are helpful while you're pulled over, like SOS, help, the warning triangle, and the arrow signal. S-Lite is easily seen from over 200 meters away. That's over 2 football fields of visibility. So no matter your situation, night or day, good weather or bad, you can be sure all the surrounding drivers will be aware of your presence. Installation is easy. The super strong magnetic base will attach to the top of your car damage-free, and the flexible pole can adjust to any angle to make sure you are seen. It runs for 2 hours on just 3 AAA batteries, plenty of time for you to get your situation resolved. Plus, it's completely waterproof, so you'll get the visibility you need no matter your surroundings. We have been working on the technology to get S-Lite up and running for the last 4 years. We are confident that S-Lite belongs in every car, ready to help protect your friends and family. Don't wait for an emergency situation to happen to you.